Today, guys, we are overlooking hole 1 of the Raven Golf Course and Nordic Center here in Silverthorne, and we are at 328 Raven Golf Lane. So let's see what 5.5 million gets you here at the Three Peaks Raven Golf Course. But first, we have to open the front door with our remote control. And we have access. Okay guys, before we get to the home today, I want to thank Ramona McDowell with Excel Brokers for allowing us to tour this home today. This is her listing, so I want to give credit where credit is due. Thank you to her. Now let's get to the home tour. Okay guys, another thing I want to mention about the door besides the key fob that you have is the fingerprinting here. So you can actually program your fingerprint to the door so no one else will have access to the home but you. Super cool. And as you can see, this door is incredible. We've got the stainless steel inlay here. Gives it a really nice accent. And then now let's check out the home and walking through. On first impression, it's insane. We have this very grand floor plan here, 25-foot vaulted ceilings, incredible staircase with the center stringer and awesome cable ballasts here. And then we walk into the living room and this is where it gets really good. We got these incredible views overlooking the Nordic Center, and right here is hole 1 of the Three Peaks Raven Golf Course, both of which are public access, and you have it right in your backyard, so no need to drive anywhere to enjoy Nordic skiing and golfing. And then you'll notice we've got engineered white oak wood floors, which are about 3 times as expensive as standard oak flooring, and the reason is that they join at the seams perfectly for a seamless fit. And then I'm sure as you're looking around, you're thinking, wow, there's so much detail in this home, and the builder did a great job, particularly with this lava rock fireplace. Cool thing about lava rock is that it is not formed by pressure, rather it is cooled over time, which is what gives it that honeycomb type of finish, and much different from the basalt rock, which is your typical type of stone that you're gonna find on the fireplace. Now, walking into the kitchen, you're going to notice, again, tons of space for entertaining. I really like this individual piece that they placed on top of the granite countertop for the bar. Perfect for having a drink, kicking back, relaxing. And then you've got this amazing center island granite piece here. One piece going across the entire center, and then waterfall features on the side. And they've got these really cool mesh stainless steel cabinets here. Look really good with the accent lighting on the inside. And then to the side here, we have got top of the line Miele appliances, wine cooler, and then we've got the smart coffee maker, which you guys have heard me talk about in my other videos. I love this. You can just place your coffee cup here in the morning, program it from your phone, and then have coffee to go as soon as you wake up, which is great. Also to mention that the entire home is a smart home. We've got surround sound, 11 different zones, 11 cameras around the home, so you can pretty much program whatever you want when it comes to all the electrical in the home. And then we've got this massive Miele fridge, probably the biggest fridge that I've seen in a home so far. So no shortage of food storage space, so you can host as many people as you well please. And then we've got the rest of the kitchen here. You're gonna notice the faucet here, Atmos fixtures. And then we've got these Atlas Kuknia cabinets, which are really nice. Soft close, double drawers, granite countertops continuing throughout, and then this incredible 6-burner Miele stove with the griddle top here. Again, you're gonna have no shortage of cooking space and appliances to entertain all of your family and friends. Very nice Zephyr range, and this glossed over black glass backdrop here. then we'll come over into the dining room. And then one of the coolest features, in my opinion, about this home is going to be these VDOC sliding glass doors. Also, all the windows in the home are VDOC as well. Cool thing about these, very simple to use. You turn this handle 180 degrees and then move it. Very seamless sliding action here. And wherever you stop the sliding door, all you have to do is rotate it 180 degrees and it's stuck in place. So very top of the line. I have not seen this in any other home before. Very cool. Obviously you have our hot tub outside, commercial size hot tub overlooking the Nordic Center right now. Plenty of outdoor patio space. It is winter, it's a bit cold outside, so we'll save that for the summertime. Now let's go check out the rest of the home. Now guys, there is an abundance of an activity to do here in this Three Peaks Raven neighborhood. So I wanna know, what's the first activity you're doing when you're waking up? Are you jumping on hole 1 and starting your golf day? Are you going on the Nordic Center to do some cross-country skiing? Are you going skiing at Keystone? Are you taking a walk with your dog? Are you hopping in the hot tub? There's so many different things to do. Personally, I'm going straight for the Smart Mealy coffee maker and making myself a cup of brew while I watch the sunrise. From the kitchen and living area, we're gonna head over towards the primary suite. But first, we're gonna stop by one of the nicest home offices that I have seen. And then let's continue on into the primary. And you'll notice, again, the gold inlays continuing throughout these custom doors here. And another thing to note about these doors is that they do have magnetic latches. So as soon as they close, the latch will pull in magnetically, so you don't have to worry about latching it yourself. And then we've got a very big open primary here, full king size bed. We've got a nice granite slab 2-piece there with accent lighting on the background. Again, extremely luxurious, extremely custom. Not gonna really find it in any other home in Summit County. And then we've got this awesome fireplace with all the different settings to set it how you like. And then we'll head over towards the primary bathroom, which is really cool. So we've got porcelain tile on the floor here, made to look like marble. Again, you'll notice the gold inlay in the tile there. Same with the countertops, granite, gold inlay, and then we've got Kohler fixtures throughout. We've got a Bain Ultra tub, again, fully customizable with all the different water features here. And then you've got one of the biggest stand-up showers that I've seen with curbless entry and linear French drain. And then if you want ultimate luxury, as soon as you walk into the water closet, you're gonna notice the Kodo toilet opens by itself. How cool is that? Very top of the line fixtures in this bathroom. And then you have the walk-in closet over here. There is a zone for your water heater in this bathroom. So you can actually control the temperature of your water heater for when you shower. Okay, and from the big primary suite, we're gonna head off. So let's go downstairs and check out the entertainment area. This home is over 6,000 square feet, so tons of space for entertaining in the family. Right here, the intention is to have a pool table or a game table of some sorts. You have light fixture boxes right there, so you can put lights specifically for your game table. And then we're opening up to this incredible entertainment area. Obviously you can stage this however you like, but you pretty much have a movie theater style living room down here. You can put a TV practically as big as you want. You've got the, again, custom fireplace with the lighting, and then you have a wet bar down here that runs the whole length of this wall. So plenty of space and plenty of storage for all of your favorite liquors, spirits, and and wines. And then over here, again, another area for games. They've got the foosball table set up over here. And then off to the side, you've got controls for all of your smart technology, from your security cams to your surround sound system and more. Then we have a powder room off to the side here, but the coolest feature of this home is going to be the workout room and sauna room. As a fitness enthusiast, I love when homes have this. So behind me here, you've got the fitness room, and then off to the side here, we've got the sauna. And the sauna actually has its own control here, so you can go ahead and change the lighting. We've got total control of the sauna. Cedar wood, which is ideal for sauna. It absorbs moisture very nicely. And then you've got wet rocks here, so you can actually throw some water on the rocks and create a steam if you'd like. I don't know exactly how that's pronounced, H-U-U-M, Hume. If you guys know how to pronounce that brand, let me know in the comments below. Now, finishing off the home from the main living and kitchen area, we'll head over towards the main level powder room. Again, the gold accents continuing throughout. This is honestly my favorite one. The tiling in here is incredible with the gold inlay, as you'll see from this clip. And then we've got perfect mudroom right here to store all of your stuff, cabinets to put dirty shoes, washroom right here with your laundry. And then we have a really nice feature on this door. This door, another Mercado door, is a 2-hour fire door. So in the case of a fire, this will actually hold off heat for 2 hours before ever giving way, which is really nice. And being that this home is over 6,000 square feet, it does have a sprinkler system. So that's very nice. Never have to worry about fire issues, hopefully, fingers crossed. And then we've got this incredible oversized 2-car garage, and then access to a back patio out there. Okay guys, now let's talk about what you get in the neighborhood of the Three Peaks here in Silverthorne. Obviously, I've mentioned hole 1 of the Raven golf course multiple times. There are a multitude of different golf courses around Summit County, but to have this one right out your back door, very luxurious, very convenient, especially if you're a big golfer. Something else to note is that this is one of the newer builds, never lived in before, where you're gonna notice a lot of homes in the Three Peaks have been here for quite some time and are not as luxurious or modern build as this one. This neighborhood in this road in particular has most of the newer builds, so that's gonna be of huge benefit to you because you're gonna have all the modern amenities that you want in a new home. We've got the Nordic Center here, which is publicly accessed. So you're gonna notice people with their dogs cross-country skiing and fat biking all day, which is great. And if you wanna do that yourself, you certainly can. And then we are in the town of Silverthorne, and Silverthorne has a multitude of things for you to do. We've got our rec center, which my fiance and I frequent often. It's a great place to take the kids. They've got pools, hot tubs, sauna, steam room, full basketball court, pickleball, weightlifting room, whatever you want, you can get it there. We have silver medal fishing trout waters at the Blue River here. You can actually raft them as well in the summertime. We've got the Bluebird Market Hall right off of Blue River Parkway, which is a cafeteria style hall with all different dining options, and the Breckenridge Distillery for the best cocktails in all of Summit County. And then we've got the outlets at Silverthorne for all of your shopping needs. You can get brand names for super cheap. My fiance loves Calvin Klein, so there are tons of options for you to shop. We also have an abundance of hiking in Silverthorne. As you can see, off to the east side, you're looking at the Ptarmigan Mountain Range. Great hiking back there. If you're a hunter, we have one of the largest, if not the largest, elk herd in the world on the other side of that mountain range. So super great for a hunter enthusiast. You can actually see Keystone Mountain right from the office here and from the living room and most parts of the home, honestly. So we have 5 world-class ski resorts within a 20-minute drive: Keystone, Breckenridge, Copper Mountain. We also have Arapahoe Basin and Loveland Basin. And then if you want even more epic skiing, you can venture on over to Vail Beaver Creek, and then an hour and a half north, we have Steamboat Springs. So there are tons of things to do here in Silverthorne. And in this neighborhood specifically, you can keep yourself busy for days, but if you want more adventure, 5 to 20 minute drive and you've got the rest of everything that Colorado has to offer. Okay guys, finishing off at the foosball table, I think you get the idea. There is an abundance of activity to do here in Silverthorne and Summit County, Colorado. I hope you enjoyed this home tour of 328 Raven Golf Lane. Subscribe to the channel so we can get more of these home tour videos and more of why you should live here in Summit County, Colorado.